Alright, real quick, I'm going to show you guys how to take out the back side of this to change out the light bulb, the turn signal in here. You're going to firstly want to turn down your rear view mirror all the way down, and then once you're in here, you'll be able to see two clips in here. Once you see those two clips, you're going to grab a flathead screwdriver, pry them upwards and pull back on this plastic housing here, but carefully. You're not trying to break the clips because you're going to need them to clip right back on to the truck. So I already got the mirror all the way down. I'm going to go ahead and get the clips. I'm going to show you guys those clips once I take it off. Right, there it is right there. It should be fairly easy, so don't tug on it. It has some double-sided sticky tape on here. And there it is right there. There's the light bulb. I'm going to be changing this out to LED. Then just reinstall it the same way you took it out.